Right, so the chap from Domestic in General has been. He told us that it was more than likely that it wasn't the thermocouple that was at fault, but the fact that the cooker was not high enough off the ground. So as you see, we have the cooker out of its installation. By the way, the bottom oven works no problem at all. It's just the top oven, this one, that's causing us grief. So I've put it up on 2 blocks of wood that are 5 centimeters off the ground. There we go. Now I've tried this once already and I know what's going to happen. Obviously you do as well. I'm going to set this timer for 10 minutes. Because I know it shuts off sooner than 10 minutes. I'm going to switch the gas oven on now. There we have it, nice big healthy flame. I'm now going to close the oven door. We're going to see how long it takes for this to cut out. We should hear a click when it cuts out. Flame's still on. I'm sorry about the reflection in the glass, it's making it difficult to see what's going on. We're at 1 minute at the moment. And that's it cut out. The flame is out. That's not even 2 minutes. Will somebody explain to me, please, what is going on with this bloody oven?